What's going on, everyone? We got a 2025 Toyota Tacoma here with me today, and I'm going to show you how to go ahead and pull the cabin air filter if you want to replace it. Open the glove box. Cabin air filter is located back behind here. We're going to take this door off right here by pushing this tab in, pulling towards us, and it pops right off, just like that. All right, get that out of our way. We're going to have to take another door off, which is this one right here. And notice this says up because we're going to want to put this back exactly how we took it off. Now we're going to start at the right side here. And there's a clip right here that we're going to squeeze together and pull towards us, okay? That unlocks the right side. The left side is a little different. It slides into these little slots that are right here with these little feet, okay? So you don't have to pinch this one. You need to pinch the right one. So we can pull the filter out like this. And it comes in this holder right here. When you get your new filter, it will not come with the holder. What you're gonna do is take the filter out of the holder just like this. Okay, this one's got a little bit more life in it. You could probably go for replacing it. It's a little dirty. But if you need one, you can check down in the description box and in the comment box. There's a link that takes you to Amazon where you get a premium filter, one that's a little bit better than this one. Fairly cheap, so check that out if you need one. And when you go to pull this guy out, it can be a little tricky getting the new ones in, just because there's these little stands right here. Okay, you got to make sure they go in between the slots when you go to put your new one in. Okay. Now we're going to put this back exactly how we took it out. Slide it in here, and we want to make sure that it's all the way in here, all the way, okay? Enough where you have a finger gap right here. Now you need the finger gap because the door has these feet on it that go into that gap, okay? So we get the left side in, goes first, slide it in there, and we just click it on in there. Then we get our cover, the right side will go into this little slot right here, and we just click it on in right here, and you're all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, we'd really appreciate it. Some support by hitting the subscribe button, liking the video, and even leaving me a comment would be great. We hope to see you again in another video. Thank you for watching.